Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called GuruShots, okay? They've got a photo game, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money from this particular website? Let's check it all out, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed all sorts of different make money online websites, business models, apps, games. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out GuruShots to find out whether this is the good or the ugly. Can you really make good money this way, okay? Now, GuruShots is basically a photography website that allows professional photographers and rookie photographers to just join. You can go to their app, download it, right? And what you do is you basically take part in challenges, okay? So you come to photography right here, and you're gonna see all the different challenges that are available, right? So they have them in different categories like cats, for example, summertime, people in action, and you can see that every single challenge has a certain amount of prizes, right? And there's a certain amount of players that have taken part in it, okay? So some of the prizes are pretty small, some of them are a little bit larger, but it basically allows you to take part in a challenge. And then what happens is when the challenge closes, people will vote, and then different people will win these actual cash prizes, okay? And it's as simple as that, right? So if I just click into summertime, for example, you can see the details of the challenge, okay? They've got a top flash photographer, they've got the top 3, the top 10, the top 50, okay? They've got the prizes right here, all right? And they've even got the winners right here, and you can actually see the pictures that won the prizes, all right? So a couple of things that you need to understand about this is that you don't necessarily need to be a professional. You can be a rookie as well, or anything in between. No AI allowed, all right? So if you use AI and they find out, then you can get disqualified. They must be your own photos, all right? And the way that it works is you start off as a newbie, and you'll work your way up through the ranks, and as you get higher, you're going to be able to put in or submit more photos. Most of the time it's 1 to 4 photos, but if you have a higher rank, you can submit a little bit more, all right? In terms of the cash that you can win 3 things. You can win cash, and they pay it through PayPal. You can win gear, like photography gear, and you can get exposure in different marketing campaigns throughout GuruShots, okay? And these are the 3 things that you can win, all right? So is this a easy way to make money, right? How much money can you really make? I think that's the big question, all right? And the reality is that, you know, this is really only for people that really enjoy photography, right? Because if you don't really like photography so much, then it's going to be very difficult for you to stay here for the long term, because, you know, as you can see, some of the challenges, you're not really making that much money. I mean, it's $85 here, $50 here, $15 here, right? You know, and there are a lot of players, okay? There's like 84 players here, 94 players here, 120 players here. You know, for $15, it's really quite little in terms of the prize money, right? So you're not going to make anything really big. I mean, there's some bigger ones here like $200, $180, $600, but it's going to be difficult for you to win all the time, right? Even if you're pretty good, sometimes you're just not going to win because there are other people that are competing. There are a lot of people that are putting in photos. So it's difficult to be consistent. So this is never ever going to be full-time income. The way that you should look at it is that it's just a little bit of fun, okay? If you've got, you like taking pictures, maybe you're professional, or maybe you're just taking it on your iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter, right? If you enjoy photos, you want to do it for fun, it's on the side, maybe you win a couple of $100 here and there, then that's cool, okay? But for full-time income, you will never get to full-time income with this type of thing right here. So that's what I would say about GuruShots, okay? Now, I do want to mention that I also like to see what other people are saying about, you know, things that I review, right? And unfortunately, you know, GuruShots recently has had some pretty bad reviews, okay? So I use a third-party website called Trustpilot, and even though there are only 68 reviews, which is very little, right? Usually it should be in the hundreds and thousands, but most people have just rated it pretty low. 1.5 star is very, very low, okay? Now, I'm not going to go through every single one, but you can see here that the vast majority, 81%, have rated it 1 star. And basically the main thing that people have said is that in the past, GuruShots used to be a great site, as in the previous owners used to run it properly. You would put in pictures, they would get voted properly and all that stuff. But apparently it's been sold. And what's happening now is that they've added a lot of sort of gamification stuff, like a spinner and a turbo and things like that. And it's kind of turned the photography game into more of a gambling game, right? And people are buying credits to get boosts and stuff like that to boost their chances of winnings. So it's gone from a real, legitimate sort of photography challenge to kind of like, it's just kind of a luck game. So no matter how good or bad your pictures are, you could still win, which is very, very strange because it kind of defeats the purpose of, forwarding quality pictures. And what a lot of people are saying is that a lot of the real photographers are leaving the platform, and they're just getting a lot of people that just kind of want to see if they can win money for fun, more like gambling. Okay, so just keep that in mind, right? Because things change all the time. This is what people have said currently. A lot of people are giving it 1 stars, and that's what people are saying, is that it's not very fair. It used to be a fair competition, but now it's not anymore. It's just it's more like a gambling place. So here's what I would say. I would say that if you're here and you just want maybe a bit of fun, you want to buy some credits, you want to play some boosts, you want to upload some photos, perhaps you could win a little bit of money. But if you're looking at this like a real way to make consistent income, then it's 100% not that. All right. But if you just want to come here maybe for fun, see if you can win some prizes by uploading some photos, then you can check out GuruShots.com. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to generate a big income online. Maybe you don't know how. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the good ones that I've tested, there was one that I actually used to completely change my life. I use it to replace my full-time income. I generate 5 times every single month what I used to in my old corporate job, and I do this full-time right now. I think that this is a great online strategy for beginners, people that want to learn how to go full-time working from home. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass that documents this step by step. You can check it out by just clicking the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of GuruShots. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review.